Hi everybody, Patrick here, and I'm coming to you in the middle of my hike in the Santala Valley, and according to my Apple Watch I'm at 2,285 meters right now, and this reminds me of something that I have to tell you, and that's the precise price of the Fujifilm GFX100 successor. Now I will give you a second of time to think about how this number 2,285 could actually unveil something about the GFX100 successor price. I finish my hike. I have about 200 more meters up to go to the Flaggenscharter Hut, and then when I'm there I will tell you everything, okay? See you later, bye. So I finally arrived. Back there, the Flaggenscharter or Marburger Hut, more about it later, but now the number 2,285 meters. Of course the camera will not cost $2,285, but if you convert meter into feet, then you get the price in dollar, and 2,285 meter are 7,499 feet. So the camera, the GFX100 successor, will cost you $7,499, which in my opinion is an excellent pricing, because consider it has a new sensor, it has a new processor, the body is about as big as the one of the GFX100S, it has tons of new features, some of them not even available on X-series cameras, and I will link the list of rumors down below in the comments. So it is packed with the latest and greatest and tons of features. So $7,500 is, I think, a very good price for this camera. Now you let me know what you think about it. Maybe you think it's expensive, maybe you were expecting a higher price. Now for me it's time to have a moment of rest and then go back home. Another 1,000 meters down to my car. This is the Flaggenscharter Hut, by the way, or Marburger Hütte also. It's called, and I like this area here because we are in the mountains around the Santala Valley, and it is way less crowded than the Dolomites are this time of a year. Like, I hiked for 2.5 hours up here and I met 4 people. In certain areas of the Dolomites I would have met more likely 400 people in the same time. So absolutely a gorgeous and peaceful place, and if you want to escape crowds and if you want to have still fantastic landscape, then this is the place to be. And maybe I'll show you a few more here in South Tyrol in further videos. I hope this is inspiring somebody to travel here, to visit, or to hike in your own mountains and just be out and enjoy nature and enjoy taking picture in nature. I'm here with my GFX100S, and I guess that if the price that our sources have told us for the GFX100 replacement is $7,500 is accurate, then I can see a lot of GFX100S on the used market for a very good price. But don't sell your GFX100S now based on this rumor, because of course I trust my sources, but it's still a rumor and it can be always wrong. So maybe it ends up costing $10,000 and you will be annoyed that you have sold your camera instead of keeping it. But I'm confident that this information is accurate. So I believe that if you are in the market for a GFX100S second hand, then soon you will have lots more options and find them at a very good price, which is beneficial for the entire system. So that's it for this video. It's time for me now to slowly go home, and I wish you an absolutely fantastic day. Goodbye and ciao.